Hello guys, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is Mohsin Azam interacting with you from my YouTube channel Business Innovation. Today we are going to start our new lesson. This will be our sixth lesson of Excel tutorials. The topic which I select for today's discussion is autofill in Excel. So first of all, we will understand what is autofill. So the first topic which we will discuss here is the introduction to autofill. So what is autofill? Autofill is a tool make you super efficient in data entry. In Excel, basically you have to start any job is to input data in Excel. So input is the first step in any Excel worksheet. So if you have any efficient way to input data in Excel, this will be much helpful. Write anything in your first cell and drag it down. You will get autofill option below the data. In autofill option you will get different type of options. So we will start with one example. For example, I write here 1. I will remove the 2 here, and now I will click this right below right corner. There will be one plus sign appear. When the plus sign appear, I have to click left and I will drag it down. So the Excel will copy 1 to the lower cells. Now there is one option, autofill option. If you click here, you will get different type of options. Copy cell. Copy cell means if you click copy cell, it will keep the same. It will copy 1 to the lower cells. If you click here fill series, so Excel will detect the series and it will fill it with the series starting from 1, and it will fill it. It will move to 1, 2, 3 till the range which I select. After this we have fill formatting only and fill without formatting only. Here copy cell, as we discussed, only it will copy the data to the lower cell, the same data. Fill series, it will follow the series. Excel will automatically detect different type of series, and when you drag it down and by clicking fill series, it will follow the series as we discuss here. By clicking this option and click fill series, it will give you the series of data. After this we have fill format only. So fill format only, it's clear from the name that it will copy the format. So for example, first of all I will click Ctrl Z and then I will make this cell as color with border. Okay, so now if I drag it down and if I click here fill format only, so see the Excel will copy only the format, not the data. After this we have fill without format. So what fill without format will do, if I drag it down by clicking fill without formatting, see the Excel will copy the data to the lower cell without formatting. Or fill series and fill without formatting. So these are the different options. Flash fill, this flash fill we will discuss later on. After this there is one tip, as we discuss here, you have to drag the data down, but when you will drag, when you click on the lower edge of the cell, a plus sign will appear and then you have to drag it down, so it will fill the lower columns. And after this you can copy the format, you can follow the format, or you can use the format which you want to use. So how this plus sign you can enable or disable. Sometime if your plus sign is disabled, you will not be able to copy it to the lower cell. So the tip for it is, from your file you have to go to options, and in options you have to click here advanced, and in advanced you have to check here enable fill hand and cell drag and drop. If it is checked, it will appear. If you uncheck it and click OK, now if you see here, see the option is disappear. You cannot drag the data. So from here, keep in mind that you have to enable this option. If you want to drag the data, see now it is coming. Now I will follow the series. So fill series. By clicking fill series and drag it down with format, it will copy the format also with the series. After this, click right mouse key instead of left mouse key. You will get additional option like linear trend, growth trend and series. So before, what we were doing, we bring here our cursor, the plus sign will appear, then we have to click the left key and then you have to drag it down. But instead of left key, now I will click my right. I will bring my cursor here. When the plus sign appear, I will click my right and then I will drag it down. By drag it down, the Excel will give me automatically few options. Copy cell, it is as same as previous. While clicking the left key, the same options was appeared there. Fill series was also there. Fill formatting only was also there. Fill without formatting was also there. Flash fill was also there. Here we will get series. The series option is here new. So I will click here series. By clicking series here, series in column. So we are using the series. We are dragging the data in the column. So I will click here column. Type is linear. You can click here linear or growth. This we will discuss later on, but the basic important thing is step value. Step value is how much step you want to take. I will make here step value 2 and stop value how much, up to how much numbers you want to fill the data below the column. I will write here up to 20 maximum. By clicking OK, see my Excel is copying the data below the cells, but it is taking a step. As I keep here the step up to, so it means it will skip one and it will give me the next number. So here 1 3 5 7 9 11. So this is basically the series. What I will do, I will copy this one and I will put it to here and I will put 2 here. Now if I select both of these two and I will click my right, first of all I will bring my cursor here, will drag it down. Now see, now here we have two options, linear trend. So if I click linear trend, see my Excel is following the same series like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I will click Ctrl Z again and I will click my cursor to the edge and I will click right, and by dragging it down I will click growth trend. So this is basically the growth trend. We will discuss some more options. For example, we have some data here first. So if I drag it down, so this series is coming. If I click here fill series or anything, see Excel is detecting my series by writing only first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Excel is automatically detecting. If I drag this Monday down, see my Excel is detecting the series of the days, but here I will get two additional options, copy, series, formatting, and all these things were before as we discussed in the normal series, but here I have additional option of fill day. If I click here, so it will follow the days, but the important is fill week days. If I click here fill weekday, see now my Excel is following the weekdays only. Excel is skipping here Saturday and Sunday because it is as per the current setting in Excel. Saturday and Sunday is non-working day. And after this, months. If I drag it down, Excel is detecting the series of the month. Here I will get additional option of fill month. custom list. Custom list means if you want to embed any series in Excel. For example, here I write here high, low, medium, yes or no. Now a high, if I drag it down, click here. I don't have any series here, but I can make my own customized series. How I will make? I will write here high, medium, and low. Now what I will do? I will go to files and then more options, and more I will click option here. In option I will click advanced, and in advanced I will drag it down and I will go to general, and here I will get create list for use in sort and fill sequence. I will click here edit custom list. By clicking here I have some predefined list here. From here I will click this option and I will import my series by clicking this again, and then I will click import. So see, my data is now appeared here, and then I will click OK, and then OK. Now if I click here high, by click enter, now I will drag it down. See, my Excel is now detecting the series which I already add as a custom list in my Excel. Similar, yes or no you can add also. After this, flash fill. Flash fill is to copy part of name or data to the next column, but not recommended to use as sometime it will not give you the required information. What is flash fill? So flash fill is basically the option now we will discuss here. As it's written here, for the flash fill I have some examples. I have some names here: Mohsin, Azam, Kashif Azam, Khasib Azam, Maqbool Azam, Wajiha, and Riyan. Now if I need the first part of all these names, so it's difficult to write one by one. What I will do, I will write here the first in the first row. I will write here the first name like Mohsin. I will drag this Mohsin down. Now here, see, all the names are copied here. Now I will click here flash fill. By clicking flash fill, see, Excel is detecting the first name of all the names which was in the column H. Now if I want to copy the last name to the next column, I will write here Azam. See, automatically it is detecting the last name. So this is the advantage of flash fill. Copy the first or second part of the name easily by flash fill. So that's it for today's lesson. Autofill. Hopefully you will understand. If you like the video, please follow my YouTube and Facebook channel Business Innovation. Thanks for watching.